Since viewers on YouTube have an attention span of 10 seconds average, I'm going to spoil the full video just for you. I made a game in 48 hours, it made everyone throw up. I will stream on Twitch, subscribe. I did some tweaks for the game, I did some level design, datapacks broke it, I tried to fix it, I failed, and then, générique. With that out of the way, let's start the video. To start, let's talk about what not ATNPG related stuff I did this month. First, I participated at the GMTK Game Jam 2020, where I had to make a game in 48 hours according to the theme announced at the start of the jam. And the theme was out of control. Oh, the theme was literally out of control. I decided to make a simulation game where you don't control the camera. So welcome to Unbelt Management. The game that has 4 difficulty, with 2 of them impossible to play for more than 20 seconds, and the game where motion sickness will get the best of you even before you start playing. Jokes aside, in this game, you need to keep your ship running by doing some tasks like closing the door, cleaning space pigeons, and clicking on random stuff. I got very good ratings for the game, but sadly I wasn't in the top 100 in any of them. I made an update of the game 1 week later, with some tweaks to make the game more fun overall. You can play it on itch.io, link in description. If you didn't know, I have a Twitch channel and I decided recently to stream more often on games like Portal, Isaac, Tetris Effect, One Step from Eden, and also some ATNPG related stuff on stream. Since you know, hopefully, I'm French. So I decided to make 2 streams a week. Wednesdays I'm going to be streaming in French, and Saturdays I'm going to be streaming in English. Those days I'm going to be streaming from 6 PM GMT plus 2 for 2 to 4 hours. So since this video is released on a Saturday, I hope you will join me tonight. Before getting into the big brain stuff, don't forget you can subscribe if you really like the content I make. Or if you don't want to, just leave a comment or like, I do really appreciate it. To start the second part of the video, let's talk about small stuff I did on the game this month. You now cannot switch on either blockers or datapacks, preventing some weird stuff from happening. Everything is fine. I also added a display that tell you if you can switch or not, so that you can more easily tell what the heck you're supposed to do. Since I'm focusing right now on finishing the first rewind of the game as soon as possible, I spent most of the month level designing. And with all the progress I made, I think I'm 40% done. I think, maybe, I don't know. Please send help. So yeah, I made the first act featuring the long-awaited data pack, and I will tell you my process. Place cubes, more cubes, doors, nice! Add the data packs, and it breaks everything. Let's do some big brain fixes. And it's still broken. Well, I don't care, the level is done. But bro, why did you tell the data pack broke everything? Oh, well, it's simple. Let me show you. This is a door, and it needs to be opened before passing through. But look at what happens when I give the player data packs. He just yeets the door out of existence. Yeah, because it wasn't obvious for me that giving the players the ability to make freaking towers was going to get my level design all messed up. So what did I do to fix it? Well, now you need to be fully on solid ground to place a data pack. That fixed almost all cheese the player could do, but for the thing I didn't know to fix, it's that with enough data packs you can hit any door and just bypass everything. So I have 2 solutions. First, I can disable the ability to place data packs near a door, or I can just make a big wall around the door that will show up when you are close. I prefer the first one, but the second is easier to implement. But for now, I'm just going to pretend like everything is fine. Oh, I will need to start thinking about 2 things. Making music for the first rewind, and adding the first voice line to the game. Maybe I'll talk about this in the next devlog. Who knows? Certainly not me. Oh, you're finally awake. That means you watched the video till the end. Congratulations! You officially wasted 5 minutes or so of your free time watching me trying to be funny, which I'm not. So see you next time. Sayonara!